On April 8, 2024, people in North America experienced a total solar eclipse. In northern Mexico, where the greatest eclipse occurred, which is the time of greatest totality, it lasted 4 minutes and 28 seconds. This is 11 seconds longer than the last solar eclipse of the same cycle, Saros cycle 139. With solar eclipse times increasing, how long can a solar eclipse get? Saros cycle 139 is currently producing solar eclipses of around 4 minutes in length, with each one gradually getting longer. Saros cycle 139 is part of a family of Saros cycles, of which there are around 40. Each cycle produces some sort of eclipse, partial, annular, hybrid, or total. This cycle recurs around every 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours, and around 300 kilometers further north or south, depending on movement of the cycle. Currently, cycle 139 isn't producing the longest eclipses. Cycle 136 is. Cycle 136 is currently producing total eclipses in length of around 5 minutes, peaking around 7 minutes 7 seconds in 1955. No total solar eclipses will be over 7 minutes in the 21st century. In 2078, cycle 139 will start producing the longest total solar eclipses, bypassing cycle 136. These eclipses will gradually get longer until July 16, 2186, where it will produce a solar eclipse that lasts for 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Total eclipses are incredibly rare. Not only is it a solar eclipse, requiring the sun, moon, and earth in perfect alignment, but it is a total one. Total eclipses require the moon to be apparently larger than the sun, which on average it isn't. Annular eclipses, which happen when the moon is smaller than the sun during a solar eclipse, make up around 60% of solar eclipses, leaving only 34% as totals. Passing over South America, July 16, 2186 is incredibly rarer than normal, as the apparent moon size will be a lot bigger than the apparent sun size. The moon is a lot larger than normal, while the sun is smaller than normal. This means that the moon is a lot bigger than the sun, resulting in a longer transit time and therefore a longer span of totality. The moon is bigger than the sun here because the perigee, or the closest the moon is to the earth, happens around 50 minutes before totality. This makes the moon appear much bigger. The sun is also further away, making it appear smaller as aphelion, or the maximum distance from Earth to Sun, happens 10 days prior. The line of totality will be near the equator, meaning that the Earth's rotational velocity will be the greatest. This means that the Earth's spin can sort of catch up to the shadow, kind of like a plane, and stay in the path of totality longer. Compared to the poles, the equator spins faster since it has to cover a longer distance of rotation in 24 hours, since it is a sphere. All these factors line up. Get it? My jokes are really bad. To create a long solar eclipse, coming close to the limit for a total solar eclipse. This will be the longest solar eclipse for 10,000 years to come, bypassing the previous longest of recent times, which happened on June 15, 743 BC, and lasted for 7 minutes and 27 seconds. This solar eclipse is near the limit of 7 minutes and 32 seconds. Let's hope it isn't cloudy.